Start.
Mr. Speaker, Sir, in the last 50 years, our food grains production has increased 4 times. Import of food grains for the people is the thing of the past. Our population has increased tremendously, but I am grateful to the farmers for making us self-sufficient in food grains. You will be happy to know that with the efforts of our farmers, our food grains production was 20 crore tons last year. This includes both rice and wheat. Our country has experienced both green and white revolutions. Due to the White Revolution, India today is the world's largest producer of milk. Our focus today is to improve agricultural production. That is why the areas that receive meager rainfall needs special attention. In areas where agriculture is totally dependent on rainfall, dryland farming, the stress is on improving agricultural production by using science and technology. We have to do a lot for the hardworking farmers. So, we have decided to give special emphasis on the welfare of agricultural labor, especially landless laborers. Since he is backward and in extreme poverty, there is need for his insurance so that in case of his unfortunate demise, his family members do not lack food. In the field of agricultural reforms, there are some more issues which are under consideration, and we will try to introduce a bill in the next session of Parliament. The slogan of Garibi Hatao was given a long time back. The policy of my government is how to translate it into reality. Today, I have said that in our agricultural economy, around 60 to 65% people are dependent on agriculture. It is with extreme sadness that I say that the land reforms have not been implemented honestly. Our country cannot progress unless the people who actually work on fields get the land. Therefore, I prompt you, especially those states where land reforms have not been implemented, to lay stress on this and to formulate such a program that within the next 1 or 2 years it will translate this into reality. Poverty and illiteracy are two sides of the same coin, and they should be eradicated. The welfare of the laborers and poor classes should not be promoted not only with agriculture but by setting up the cottage and small scale industries. Unemployment of educated employers needs to be reduced. It has one solution, and that is economic progress and advancement.
Stop.